everybody, good morning. Today we are going to look at the sample app that we started with yesterday. And before we do, I better show you this. Look at that. I mean, tell me that is just not gorgeous. That's the ocean back there. Beautiful. So we got the codes, we got the ocean. Codes, the ocean. So this is where we do our work. So don't get it twisted. My name's James. I need a beer and we'll get started. Alright, party people, let's get started. Let's get started. So, we already have the sample application here that Interactive Brokers provided to us. And it is inside of a shell application for a real custom app that I've already built, which we don't need to even waste any time looking at right now. Let's get this application running and make sure we're connected. Run as Java app, and nope. So there she is. Make sure you guys can see it. You cannot currently. Okay. We're going to get rid of this, and I do apologize. This screen software is literally the worst thing ever. Alright, you're gonna have to give me a second. This screen software is just miserable. Alright, let's add the app. Alright, window. Enter. Okay, there's the app. Okay, great. Okay, and let's get the code in here as well. So that's the demo app that Interactive Brokers gives us. And we're using Eclipse for the software. So we'll give you a little visibility of the app and the software. And we'll get this up here. We'll just move this to the top so I can practice vanity while we code. And we'll get started. Let's start with the app. Let's move the app to the top because that is more important currently. So yesterday we did a video and it was cut off because I was listening to music in the background. We're not going to listen to any music right now. We're going to go straight software, and that's that. So we have to connect. We're on a live platform, so you know that's true because we're using port 7497. Now we can see we've connected here, and as far as the Interactive Brokers connection goes, we should see, see that accepted there? That API 127.00156.723, that is an API connection, and that API connection is I just increased the volume, so if you're listening too loud, it will be a little louder. This is a connection to Interactive Brokers. So we've connected to Interactive Brokers. We've got our Java app connecting to the Interactive Brokers app. And this is the primary function that you need to have working. Obviously, we're using their sample app. We can easily customize this, and we've already made customizations. We did it last night. as I mentioned, and they're going to appear in the market and historical data area. And we're going to work today to build a tool for orders. We're actually going to try and place some orders here, and we're going to do it at the bid and a minimum tick higher. So we're just practicing here today, and we're just practicing, and as you'll see, the more time I spend on this, sometimes I'll go for 12 hours straight, sometimes I won't go to sleep for 3 days if I really get into it. And I've taken a couple months off because it can get exhausting, and because of capitalization. I'm a bad trader. I trade a lot. I've traded for a decade now, and over a decade actually, probably in 2008, the week before the crash, was when I started. Right before Lehman Brothers went under, is when I started investing. I was in high school at the time, and it was very difficult, very, very difficult week to be exposed to the markets, and it has created an ongoing and persistent assumption that volatility is always there, and with option trading, volatility is not always there, and the options expire worthless over 80 or whatever percent it is. Again, I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. We're building software, and anything I say can not be used as a financial advice. It's not. Everything I'm doing is just for my willingness to teach you how to build Java applications like nobody else will ever teach you what you're about to see here, because nobody thinks about the markets the way I do that can code. So, because I've worked on the trading floor, I've been around brokers my entire life, and they're buy and hold kind of people, but my father gave me the newspaper and explained the tickers so when I was a kid. So, there's people that are savants like Warren Buffett, of course, and different level, way different level. He actually makes money in the markets. So that's a critical difference between myself and Warren Buffett, among many others. We'll get started here showing you what we changed yesterday on the sample app. Okay, in the request market data area, we need to make sure that you can see that. Every time you open a new window, this software simply it simply ignores what you already had open, and it's really difficult. Okay, anyways, Q, 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 Q. Do you see that? There was 4 Qs. That's how old this application is. That's how old this sample app is. We've got 4 Qs instead of 3 Qs. That is 7 years old. This application that IP is providing, roughly, is very old. So we did last night the snapshot and it worked fine. I want to try generic tick tag 318, and frankly I don't even like the generic tick tag. No security definition has been found. Request market data. 318. What is the tick? You have to find in the generic tick types. Generic tick types interactive brokers. Generic tick types on interactive brokers. We can see here. Let's add a new window. Window there. Okay, look at this. These are all what we can get from interactive brokers. Really nice, but we need generic tick types. And for some reason, show me data. Where are the? I just need the type. See, this is so old. I wish we didn't even need this. Q. We don't even need that. The extra Q. Let's see. Can you see that? Excellent. That's nice. I didn't have to do it again. Okay. There. Look, requirement is not subscribed. Displaying delayed market data. Excellent. So do we have a bid? Min tick 0.01. Where's the bid? Delay high. Open. Shoot. There's no bid, probably because the market's closed. So let's try something else here. Let's go into SPY. Let's just see what SPY is going to trigger here for us. SPY. Missing duplicate ticker ID. Request market data. Okay, what is going on here? See, it doesn't even, it's glitchy. Request market data. Okay, so something's going on here. This is not pretty. What is the deal here? Request market data. There we go. Alright, SPY. Ticker ID. You have to manually. What we'll do is we'll make that message ID. We'll just make that auto increment so I don't have to do this every time. But here's the high, the low. Min tick is. There's no bid. We're not getting a bid. We don't get a bid, it's delayed, is why. So, yeah, that's the reason. So you might be wondering, what changes did we make yesterday? And move to top. Well, the answer is simple. We made a change to a couple of things. First and foremost, you can see where it says in this application, it says, it didn't make the change in the print because we did it for snapshot, but look at the log where it says tick down there at the bottom. Tick 76. So these are, we did that. Why did we do that? Well, because we want to test out if our code where we're logging. This is a good strategy you need to know for coding. You need to log everything if you change code, put print ln and put whatever you want. I put tick, but really just put an identifier, tick 1, tick A, tick B, tick C, like a timeline, if you will. This is tick A, we change tick A area, print n, because then when you see errors, you're going to know, hey, I've got a problem at this area. So just keep that in mind. It's a good idea. It's a good practice. So we are now moving along. This is not going to be fast, by the way, and I take my time, so just settle down, everybody, relax. Alright, so we've got the tick, find it in the system. So when it gets tick price triggered, it prints out all of these, and it says tick attributes in the field. The field is the 76, 75, 73, 72, which, as we saw over here in the requesting available ticks from interactive brokers, we know from that what kind of tick we're looking for. So 76 is delayed open, 75 is delayed close. These are all delayed. If you want to start going into real stuff, you got to get the 4s, the 3s, the 1s, the 2s. These are all in the tick price delivery method, e-wrapper, tick price. There's tick size if you're going to try and get the contracts. We're going to be doing that later. We need to get live quotes for that to take place, and we don't have live quotes just yet because it costs money. So tick price, tick size. And you know, I said I've been trading for a decade. The past 5 years I've been trading on delayed data, and I've actually written trading systems on delayed data, which sounds bizarre, but 15 minutes delayed. It's true. It's a really true story, and the systems have done okay. We're building a new one from scratch here for everyone to understand how we do this, and this is going to be good. I'm going to be a little more diligent about this and try and get everybody you know, on the same page of what we're trying to do here. So let's get started in more detail here. We've got no changes to the code, and one other thing we did yesterday is the market request type. Request market, sometimes you have to remember these, and by brain, and there it is. We added this request market data type 3. That is because we needed to say we have delayed data. So if you're using live data, you don't even need this. I'm pretty sure it defaults to normal, but if you're using delayed data, you have to use 3. So don't forget that, otherwise you'll have nothing coming through. So what have we done? We've got the sample app from Interactive Brokers. We've got it connected. We've got delayed quotes coming in and reading through. We're getting the high, the low, the close, the bids and the asks. When they're delayed, there's no one there right now. It's -1 is what it would read. So pretty sure when the futures open tomorrow night, we'll be able to test that on the futures. We're just going to focus today on getting an order sent in on the security that we have just done. But I think what would be prudent and less sexy, if you will, would be to fix this element when we are requesting market data. You may recall we have the integer ID that it asks for. It says ticker ID, and you can see that right there. That 2. Again, this is kind of a weird application. You have to move the screens every time you open one, but we need to automate that. Message ID, ID2, we don't want that. Excuse me, we don't want to keep typing that in every blasted time we are going to be getting a quote. We're not typing in that every time. So what are we going to do? We need to find where it says the phrasing is ticker ID. Okay, ID. Okay, that's going to be ticker. Start there. Ticker's clear. Ticker ID. So we want to look for ticker ID, and we'll go backwards. We'll go up, backwards. Oh wait, we'll go forwards. Excuse me. Boom. Okay, so there's the ticker ID. Where is it getting defined? We need to determine where it is getting defined. Tick string, tick snapshot, and I know there's people that could do this in an instant and know exactly where it is. There's a lot of developers that are way better than me, but my creativity and ability to debug is going to be beneficial for you, because you're going to see how an unexperienced, as far as college, no computer science degree, for example, this is all self-taught over a decade. So let's keep rolling. We're looking for this ticker ID, and we might be on the wrong sample frame. No, I think this is it. So let's look for the phrase message ID. Message, it doesn't appear. Message. Okay, there it is. Circle. We need to find these buttons. Where are these things coming from? Okay, request market data, message ID, sample. Okay, oh, this is request market data. That's request market data. Okay, there it is. Okay, request market data, button market data. Okay, so market data, let's find that. Where is the on market data? On market data, where is the tick ID? On market data, come on. We need to get that just automatically increase. Really, you should have some storage for it. Where is the ticker ID getting established? That is the question I have. Again, this is going to be a little bit slow for some people, because I'm a little rusty. I took a break off for a couple months, a long time actually, but yeah. So Where are we? I'm sorry, this is taking me a second to get back. Ticker ID. Enter tick price. Where is the tick price being called? Request market data. That's what it's getting called. Tick price. Tick price. Ticker ID. Wrap. Where is it getting its ticker ID? Fuck. Where? Dialog box. Search. Source. Search message ID. Come on. Alright. 318. We're just 318. Fucking Christ. Jesus. This is awful. Data. Connect dialog. Oh, okay. Let's change that to 7. So that's fine. We need to find the dialog for 318. Uh-huh. Now I get it. Main, sample frame, message, ID. Nope. Alright. Save. Yeah. Save. We need to find the dialog box. Order, P&L position, sample frame, scanner dialog. Where? Market depth dialog, market rule, order dialog. We need the fucking 318. How does that appear? If we can find where that appears. 318. Jesus. 318. No, I mean these just I know the ones I'm searching I'm not gonna have it. 318. Fucking Christ, 318. Where is it? On market data. What is that? Market data options, true. Market data options. Order dialog. There it is. Order dialog. Huh. There. Fuck yes. Yes! Alright. Found it. Alright, good. Good. Alright. The ID. how to create. Right, so what we need to do is, this will be a good experience. How to store data in a text file, Java. Right. Okay. So, what we're doing now is we are going to import. We want a method of storage. We need a way to store our ID because we can't keep typing it in every time. So let's go ahead and get this beginning. Let's start. All right. Java package text files. Okay, package text file. Import file writer, print writer, IO exception. Let's see how easy this is. Sometimes everything's a pain in the ass. All right. Go up. Imports. Everything's smooth. Great. That's excellent. Now, private JText field MID. It doesn't have to be a JText field. It's not going to be. We're going to change that. Alright. New class should look like that. Again, these are underlined. So adding these two files plus the constructor. So add the following two lines. God damn it. Let me cut. Path append. String path. Poet. Right. Okay. So let's see the full thing. The full it'd be nice if they could let me copy fucking text. Right to a file. God damn it, assholes. It doesn't even have. It should not be difficult. Okay, just show me what to fucking do. Okay. Da. Java reading. Alright. Here we go. So let's put this right here. Nope. I have to be. Fuck. Should be fine. It's imported. Okay. Throws an IO exception if it doesn't find it. That's fine. Perfectly fine. cares about this stuff yet. Can Java app remember variable? Yeah, you have to find this. How do we do it? You know what? I have a feeling. You know what? Let's just try this. I hope we don't have to fuck with that right now. But we will if we have to. Fuck it right now. What we're going to do is just go up here. JText field M equals plus plus. Shit. Equals 0 MID plus 1. JText field int ID plus plus int Java date timestamp. Java date timestamp. What we're going to use is for the. You see how I did that? I'm just thinking. Java date import. Java date. watch this. Close the other app. Alright, make sure you can see it. There it is. There you go. Alright, good. Got the shortcuts done. Look. So what do we expect? We expect the integer ID to operate, ticker ID to be on its own. And print ln tick. Alright, here we go. We want to also print ticker ID. Okay? Now let's see. So we should expect to see the date serve as the ticker ID here. It's a good trick. I think anybody that's watching this will appreciate it. Let's close that and connect that. Good. Just do it automatically. Stop asking me. I guess it's helpful. Alright, request market data. It doesn't matter what's in there now. Q. Okay. Ooh, look at that. For input string. You can't see that, can you? Here's the error we got. So we put the time as the we put the time and second and millisecond as the force input string error for that exception. Let's shorten it. It's too long, I think. So let's get rid of the year. We'll just do year, month, yeah, month, day. Do we need month? Yes. I think we can do seconds. think it was because we had two M's in there. Alright, let's do this. Connect. No, close it. Alright, connect. You should be seeing all this, yeah? Okay. Connect. Let's market data. Why aren't you seeing that? There she is. Alright. Q's. Do. Oh, fucking Christ. 12, 31. Why are you showing 12 twice? I don't think we need that month in there twice. I don't think we need the day, I think. What does that fucking even mean? Okay, app, act, that's fucking data. Okay. You guys getting this? Fucking Christ, you're not even seeing that. Why are we getting this error? 20, 12, okay. 35, 88, 64. Number format exception for input string. What is it for? Okay. Java.lang.number format exception for input string. So I just changed that up. Again, request market data. Okay. Got rid of the air. But nothing happened. Integer. This thing does not like. God damn it. Oh, fuck. Okay. New idea. Just do that. Fuck yeah. Fuck yes. So, there you go. That solves it. We no longer need to that solves the issue. So what I did is I made string pattern DHMS, which is just DHMS, which is just a string of the date. Here, let me give you the tour. So we were gonna do a file store and that, but it didn't. It was a bad idea. So what we just did is the date, day, hour, month, second, and we'll have to reset it every month maybe. But or excuse me, day. Let's see if we can do year, month. Yeah, you might have to reset it after a certain amount of time. So what we've done here, and we can see that's the tick generic type, the date, the minute, and then the second. So that's the ID. So now instead of typing in the ticker ID 1, 2, 3, 4, now it's automated. So let's look at that. It's actually a very powerful method. Okay, there's the app. Okay, where are you? Okay, there's the app. And let's hit connect. Okay, we're connected. Then we hit the request market data. And again, remember in the past, what was necessary was we had to enter the ID. Now we don't even enter an ID. We just have to enter the symbol. We can type anything in here or nothing. It doesn't even look at that. It doesn't pay any attention. We can actually remove that. We will remove it. QQQ. Okay, and then generic tick. We can leave that empty and just hit OK. Okay, so the reason we got that is it's too long. So we can't do year. Try that. See if that'll do it. Okay, going up. Okay, that's up. Connect. Okay, connect. Now I don't know why this thing insists on forgetting about the app. It makes it very difficult. Okay, connect. Already connected. Request market data. Okay, again, we don't have to type in the ticker ID anymore. Leave that empty. Get rid of these. Okay. Okay, that's too long still. Get rid of that. Let's just do month. See if that'll work. Might be too long as well. Alright, here we go. Alright. App's up. Again, it opens up that. I don't know why. It's kind of annoying. Alright, there's the app. Alright, connect. Okay. Request market data. Get rid of that Q. Make sure you can see this. Window capture. Okay, get rid of the Q. Get rid of all these snapshots. Okay, there we go. Now look at that. There. Pretty sweet. So now look at this. The tick ID is down here. We can see in the debugger what it's listed as far as the ID. It's 12 41646 because it's month, day, hour, minute, second. So you'll have to reset it once a year. Okay, so let's do one more request. and make sure we don't have to mess with that ticker ID at all. So it was 1 last time. It remained 1 this time. And let's do SPY. Again, we're not changing the ticker ID. That was the goal here. Make that automatically update. Okay, great. There's the SPY high was 366. So we can see that that was successful. So I'm going to stop this video because that was one task, and we'll just do it task